Wow, it's the Kanto Region Badge Collection by LEGO Pokémon. This is set number 40892, contains 312 pieces, and this set was provided by the LEGO Group for review. Thank you, LEGO. And for qualifying purchases, I'm guessing if you buy the other 3 Pokemon sets, this will be added to your cart. I'm not quite sure. LEGO hasn't fulfilled that info yet, so I have no clue what it is, but just by first impressions, it looks like we just get a case with some badges in here, so we don't even have to earn those. Well, maybe we'll have to. We got to catch all those LEGO Pokemon. And that's the top of the box. And yes, it came in all squished up and dented and stuff. I mean, look at that. So obviously this thing's been in a battle of its own. And yeah, this one here is sadly not for sale. It means you can't purchase this a la carte, unfortunately. I hope LEGO changes their mind and does, because it looks like we get to make all sorts of stuff here. Now, I'm not really too sure what badges go to what. I'm sure that this is probably a rock badge, that's a water badge, and that's about it. Haven't played Pokemon in so long. Hopefully the book will help us out with that. Alright, let's crack this open and get our badges. Matter of fact, it'd be easier to battle the gems than to pull this out of there, huh? So I'm hoping there's a little trivia with this. Well, so far so good. It wasn't packed too bad. Maybe that's the badges in there. We don't know. Okay. Okay, it looks like we have... Oh, we got stickers. So we got 3 bags so far. And wow, LEGO, are we really serious? Really? It's packaged, I mean with this, but it's packaged in its own bag. I can't believe that. That's just, wow, I haven't seen that before. Maybe LEGO's finally listened to me here. And then we got our stickers, and I was really hoping that these would be printed. So, honestly, the stickers are going to make the set kind of feel cheap. I was hoping all the graphics would be printed, especially for a game novelty item such as this. And yeah, so that's the case that we're going to be building too. So it comes with everything. And it doesn't look like it comes with any trivia. It looks like it just starts with the case. Does it come with the Brick Separator? I doubt it, but we'll check anyways and find out for you here. Wow, that's just it for parts. So yeah, yeah, budget set. But nonetheless, so this doesn't look too bad, and I think that we're going to be in for a very fun, colorful build. So I'm going to head over to my second channel, assemble a set, come back, and we'll take a closer look. Whew, just came back from my travels and got all my badges here. So I'm going to take a look at the case here before we take a look at the badges, and it looks pretty cool. Nice design for the front. We also have the design on the sides. And the back here is left to be desired of. I kind of wish we could have filled this up with something here. And the bottom, yeah, there's going to be one side that's got to face downwards, right? And that's essentially what this is. Now this is hinged, so this opens up. Lid lays flat, so that's even better. And it's a nice way to display your gym badges. And honestly, just the gym badges alone look pretty cool. So I'm going to try my best here. We have the Boulder, Cascade, Thunder, Rainbow. Then we have the Earth, Volcano, Marsh, and Soil badges. And these can be removed, so you can pop these out. And yeah, these feel like I'm watching the TV show, and you can just pick these up and put them inside your coat and all that stuff. And more or less, these are just plate construction. Some of them can be a little challenging putting back in the case. Every one of these except for the Cascade has a sticker. So if you're looking for some that doesn't have stickers, I was really bummed out with this one. I wish that these were all printed, or at least brick built. Like this one here, LEGO could have just used some of the triangle tiles and got away without a sticker on that one, but they put a sticker on it, and I don't know, the stickers just made this feel like a cheap novelty item than anything else. I kind of wish they would have executed this a bit better in terms of brick built versus stickers. And even if you didn't have the stickers on these, it would still look good. it would still be recognizable by any Pokemon memorabilia collector. So honestly, just for what these look like, they look pretty cool. And you can obviously tell, you can view all the badges through the top. So nothing's really obstructed here. I'd say that this is executed very well for what LEGO had to work with. And it feels sturdy. It doesn't feel like it's going to fall apart. It's just an all-around average build. Nothing's crumbling. So let's get into the review with build quality, and it's just average build construction. Nothing's going to fall apart, but it was more or less knotted on the side, so this is not going to split. But it was just average build construction. I wasn't dissatisfied with it or anything like that. Build experience was another issue. Starting out the build, the case was pretty much the dry part. You're mostly working with black pieces, especially with the bottom here. And this wasn't too colorful. We really didn't get into any colors until we started with the badges. The top part of the case didn't take that long to put together, so it was a little better with that. But once we got to the badges, that's where the fun begins. There's a lot of bright colors being used here to drive you into the build. So these more or less are just really fun, colorful decorations. Now for play value, this is merely just a display piece to put on your shelf. So you can just have this sitting in something like a little holder that sits up like this on a shelf. That's all this is. So there's really little to no play value with this at all. But you could probably use the pieces for other creations, although I don't know why you'd take this one apart. This is pretty much a keeper here. I may keep this one around for a bit until I need these back here. You know what I'll be using those for. But I'm pretty pleased with how this turned out. I'm just a little bummed out about the stickers. Now, in addition to the stickers, a few of these panel pieces, even though they were packaged in a separate bag, 2 of these came in scratched and pitted. And it was just kind of made the set feel used and cheap. And I was hoping that, I might get lucky this time and LEGO had packaged it up. So LEGO needs to come up with a better method for these bigger transparent pieces to prevent them from getting scuffed. Because this is a piece that I may want to keep around. And just to have it scuffed, it feels like I got this used, like it was built out of used parts. But more or less, though, it's just your average brick-built novelty item. But I'm pretty pleased with it. I mean, it's nice and bright and colorful. This is nice to look at. You can pull out your badges. You can show them off. You can stick them back in the container. And, I mean, overall, it does work. Now, for this being a promotional item, you have to spend so much, and I believe you have to get some of the Pokemon sets to get this. Now, honestly, for me, if LEGO were to bring out, let's say, some starters, and you had to get a badge from each starter, that'd have been cool. It'd have been a cool thing to collect all your badges through various sets. Instead of this, you have to actually spend a lot to get just this here. But all around, though, I'm going to say it's a pretty good build for what it is. Now, I have to give this one here a 7. In addition to the scuffed pieces and the stickers. If somebody wanted to get this and buy this a la carte, meaning that they don't want to spend the money on getting the other sets just for the badges, this is where it's going to be kind of a killer here, because who wants to spend $600 or $700 on a big set? I'm just being honest with you. But if you do get that and you have this and you just don't want it, I'm sure somebody out there would want this set. But for me personally, as somebody who is not heavy into Pokemon, but I know what at least the badges do come from gems. The only one I recognized was this one here, because that's the one where Ash battled Brock. I believe that one was from Misty. But other than that, I think it's a nice little novelty piece, but that's nothing more than what this is. But honestly, just after it's done assembled, seeing it in person, it is impressive nonetheless, but just your average LEGO build. But tell me what you think.